Vlogmas Day 8. And guess what? It's currently 9 o'clock. This is what happens when you work all day. Today was a 9 to 8 o'clock shift. Definitely worked all day. It's freezing over here in Florida. We had a high of 57, what, all right? Or 60.
I think so.
It was cold. And I have my little portable heater. I like to put this by my feet and it keeps me warm because it was cold today. And now I'm officially on vacation mode. We are going on a road trip with Johnny. We're going to Savannah, Charleston, South Carolina, then back down to St. Augustine, Florida. So we're gonna hit Georgia, South Carolina, and Florida on our way back home. And we are so excited. We have not gone traveling at all this year, at all. And usually we go on like 4 trips a year, so it's been brutal. We're looking forward to this. I gotta do this bed. I haven't even done this bed. I have to pack. So that's basically what we're gonna do today. We're going to take a look at all the outfits that I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a variety of temperatures. So it's gonna be like 50s, 60s, 70s. Awesome. Just awesome. But Starkey Poo's over there. I don't know if you guys see him. Look at him. Let's start cleaning this room and packing. The bed is made. We have our little Merry Christmas holiday blanket. Our Joy Pillow Starkey Poo. These are some of the things that I keep in the attic. I just brought them down and I washed them. I'm probably gonna wear some of this on our trip. This is Starkey Poo's sweater. He has another one because he gets colds. Now I'm gonna try to come up with outfits that actually fit me and I don't look like a big hippo because I'm pregnant. I'm trying to do my outfits and then this one just decides to sit in the middle of it. Do you approve of this outfit? Do you like it, Stark? Do you like it? Do you like it? Yeah. Well, let's try to show them. We have this one with these little shirts that have little stars on them. And then the pregnancy jeans. That is one outfit. Now I have to figure out what to do with these. I'm going to take this one big jacket because it's going to be cold at night. I want to be prepared, so at least I have that. But now I just got to figure out how to, I don't know, combine these. Nothing fits right now, and I don't have any winter stuff for pregnancy. So it's a little difficult. And in the meantime, we're also watching The Nutcracker. I think I figured out the rest of my outfits. So tomorrow, I'm gonna wear this one with leggings, those boots, pair it with this jacket since it's gonna be cold at night. Then, the next day, I'm gonna wear this neon kind of green sweater with a white shirt and these white pants. Most likely my combat boots, or maybe even these black ones. I don't know, we'll play by ear. You guys already saw the one that Starkey Poo was laying on, which is this one. And then since it's gonna get hot on the weekend, for Saturday, I'm gonna wear this top. It's a nice little festive top. Most likely with like green pants, my green pants. And then on Sunday, since we're traveling just back in the car, I'm gonna wear this one. And leggings. And like a headband to make it a little bit more festive. But I think that's it, because nothing fits. And I don't have much clothes, so I really don't feel like buying new clothes either. So this is just gonna have to work. Well, day 8 was a failure. I was packing, showed you some of my outfits, and then I passed out because Starkey Poo here was all cuddled on the bed, looking nice and comfy. And I was cuddling with him and then I passed out, fell asleep. Ugh, so I haven't packed anything. I wasn't happy either with my selection of clothes last night, so hopefully I can figure this out today. But we're gonna try to leave by 12:30 so that we can kind of make it there in the afternoon, like 6-ish, 6:30-ish. I think it's like a 5.5 hour drive. So that should be fun. So yeah, let me get packing here. Goodbye, Papa. I know you're sad that we're leaving you, but we'll be back soon. You're gonna stay with your uncle, and he's gonna take good care of you, okay? Oh my God, how did you already get nodded? Boy, baby boy, I love you. I love you. I love you. You try to leave with us. You can't. Someone doesn't want us to leave. So don't leave me. Don't leave me. Take me with you. You're gonna stay, okay, Baba? We'll be back. We'll be back. No, you're not leaving. And we are off. First stop is going to be Savannah, which we actually have not. Well, have you been to Savannah?
Yeah, when I was a kid.
Okay, so that doesn't count, because when you're a kid, you don't really appreciate everything. I've actually never been. I used to live in Georgia, and I remember one time my family went. For some reason, I didn't go. I think I went on like a different trip to Texas for like the Beta Club. I don't know, something like that. And I remember they went, came back, said it was beautiful, it was awesome, had a good time. So we're gonna first go to Savannah, and we should make it by 6:30. It's 1 o'clock. They say that it takes 5.5 hours. We're definitely hungry though. So we shall see what happens. So here we go. We've made it to Jacksonville and my back is on fire. It's a little sore, I think, from sitting down. I went to the chiropractor this morning. I was readjusted, so I think that's partially why it hurts a little bit. So I think we're gonna stop and just kind of walk around a little bit, stretch. We have 2 hours left to get to Savannah, but we made a pretty good time and we're about to hit Jacksonville. I actually, fun fact, went to school here for 2 years for my undergrad and then 1 year for law school, and that's basically it. So I've lived here before. So it's like an old stomping ground. Oh, how cute. We did a pit stop. We went to the restroom. We put gas, and now we're gonna have some Dunkin' Donuts because it's getting late. I'm gonna get a small cappuccino and a glazed donut. I love glazed donuts from here. Do you guys have like a special donut you like? I like the glazed, and then sometimes if I'm feeling festive, I like the chocolate with sprinkles on top. Let me know in the comments down below, what kind of donut are you? I don't like the ones with filling inside. Those are weird. What's the point of eating fruit in your donut? We have our glazed donut. I already took a bite in. And then over here I have my little cappuccino. So good. So good. We made it to the hotel. We are pretty glad the hotel room is clean. They did a really good job checking in too. It was very touchless. When we got here though, we did still wipe down like the remote control and all the surfaces, the doorknobs, the desks and nightstands, just to make sure. But now we're about to go try to find something to eat. It's pretty dead. It's so sad, man. COVID has like, you can tell like some of these businesses are hurting because it's so dead. We're gonna try to go find something to eat because we're hungry, and we have a feeling they're gonna close early too because it's a Wednesday night. But hopefully tomorrow we can like I don't know. See some cool things. We'll see. Of course, we would make it to a taco stand place. What is it about us Spanish people? We just kind of gravitate towards Spanish food. We got a jarritos, Mandarin. Johnny got a beer, nachos. Of course, we're ordering queso and tacos, but not. Johnny's getting the chimichanga. Oh yeah, it's steaming. Queso time. This is my favorite, you guys. Woo. Woo.
You don't drip on yourself.
Here we go. It's good. Approved. And the food is here. Look at this, y'all. This is like legit Mexican tacos. They look delicious with rice and beans. Johnny's chimichangas. He's already dug into it. It's going down. All right. I kind of finished. 3 tacos was a lot. I left half of it, but it was so good, like the ones from Mexico. So if you ever come to Savannah, definitely come to this place. We made it back to the hotel. The food was delicious, but I'm really tired. That drive really took it out of me. My waist kind of hurts, so I'm laying here. Cheetos! That's a big one. Oh, my camera's about to die. Like I was saying before it died, I forgot to bring my pregnancy pillow because I was like, oh, the pillows in the hotels, they have extra ones. I'll just use one, but it's not the same, y'all. It's not the same. So hopefully I'll be able to sleep okay. We're gonna find out. But right now, we are watching this Christmas show. It's about houses that they decorate like crazy. The best lit, literally, Christmas houses. And some of these houses are nuts. Like literally goals. If I could, I would have a house like that lit up for Christmas. Doo-doo-doo. Look at this house, y'all. What in the world? That's awesome. What? That's their garage? No. Look at that. What? Stop. Stop. Well, it's currently the next day. I fell asleep without ending the vlog yesterday. So let me end it real quick before you guys see today's content. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.